finally, the Lamborghini Aventador wide body project has been painted. As you can see now, this will be the final color, the Ferrari Rosso Fuoco color. 3-stage pearl red color. There's a few pieces remaining that Felix is right now actually getting ready to paint red. But you can see the front bumper is behind the car over there. Those are the rear quarter panel flares. That's why it looks like a huge gap there. Remember, the quarter panel was cut out because this is a wide body car. These are all replaced. This is actually a full carbon fiber door. As you can see, the wheels are this bronze gold color. It looks really cool with the red. And then there's going to be a lot of carbon fiber details, as you can see here. Everything was unfortunately messed up on this kit. The carbon fiber was in terrible shape. We had to fix a lot of the stuff, and then the body lines as well. So a lot of work was going down with this car. We did a lot of extra hand labor work, and now we're almost done. So we're a few weeks out. The rest of the parts are gonna get painted, dry up. It's gonna dry for like a week, and then we have a lot of cutting and polishing to do, and then put this bad boy all together. And this is actually going to Atlanta, I think, or Chicago. I can't remember. But our client, Argini, knows that. And then Luis is trying to finish up the Escalade that we showed you guys that we started on the last episode. So we're going to get you more contact. You're going to see an Escalade with a full body kit on there shortly.
Hey, this one looks cool, man, like this.
You like the roof spoiler?
Yeah, I like that. That's the only thing I like this one. Nah, not here. I like everything. Sweet. I love this. That's what I like. When I do something and be clean like this, you know? No fucking dusty, no fucking nothing. It's clean.
So right now we're in the paint booth. See, we're talking more. These are the side blades. They go pretty much like rocker panels. He has the rear bumper over there. The diffuser is not on there, it's full carbon. These are the front bumper spoilers. They go on the sides of the bumper. These are going to be sprayed clear coat because it's visible carbon, as you can see. So we're sanding it, making it nice to shoot the clear coat while we're shooting the red. A lot of the old door handles, door hinge pillar trims and stuff like that are also being painted red. As you can see, they're white originally. So we're going to paint this stuff and finish it up. Go do something. This guy's sick.
Sarkis told me to put the yellow wraps because he's too lazy to do it.
Well, he's also in the car.
If it slips, we're dead.
Matching the paint?
Yeah. How you looks like? Same?
Let's see, yeah. Came out nice, good job.
You
You didn't have to paint anything.
Just polish.
Too bad the Urus body kits aren't like that.
What brand is this?
I don't know. Oh, it says right on the back.
What says? I don't know. I don't understand that shit.
What does it say? I don't know what it is either.
Oh, LARTE.
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 It's your first time doing this kit?
Yeah, primera vez. First time.
It's nice.
It's big, man. It's too
Yeah.
big inside.
It's too big?
Yeah, look at this one.
Oh, you could press it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sí, muñequito, homie. Es a muñequito for sale.
He's the best painter in California.
Why? What did he do?
Yeah.
He painted car 3 times. No one can do that.
He has the 5 estimates in one car.
That's a good one. He's the best painter.
What did he do to you today that made you like him so much?
No, because look, painting is not easy to do. No, joke aside, like 3-stage is even like if you try to do it with a computer, you're still gonna make a mistake. But the 3-stage is crazy. Like the candy color 3-stage. Just go look at the thing, the Lamborghini with it.
He said Felix is a great painter.
Yeah, he is.
He literally had 3 redos today. Right here, Escalade. You don't see this very often. This is the newer Escalade, the newest model Escalade. And you see it with a wide body kit now. This is the LARTE design body kit. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right or not, but They make a lot of kits for like SUVs and stuff mostly. But look at this Escalade kit. And I'm very, very impressed with the quality of the kit. And it came ready to go, literally out of the box. We didn't have to do any really like trimming, bondo work, none of that stuff. Literally came out of the box and we put it on. So as you see, it consists of these flares on the side, cool looking little slit right here. These kind of slits are tough to get by with cars. It just looks funky on most cars, but it shockingly doesn't look too bad on the Escalade. The front flare has kind of like the matching design to it, of course. And the back end really changes up the whole rear of the car. As you can see, it has that pretty cool roof spoiler. And then it has this whole rear end diffuser. You take the old one out and you put this new one. It even has these quad exhaust tips that are like matte black, has their logo on it. And it has obviously more aggressive features. Also, we installed the front lip on it with 4 LED lights. So the front lips also have a drastic difference. It's got the LARTE designs on the front and back. People won't notice this, but this is even changed right here. This piece is also changed. The Escalade has these like body lines, so I'm guessing they kind of mimicked that and added the lines as well, just giving it way more sharper look. And also has that big front grille as well, like I said. And saying and a lot because there's a lot of pieces. The mirrors also have covers that adds like sharp lines to it. So a lot of parts. We had this done in about a day and a half. Could have done it sooner, but we ran out of the glue that we need, sadly. Body shop manager's fault. And got it done. It has 26-inch Ford Giotto wheels. Now we're gonna have to space these out because it is sitting pretty in there. So we're gonna probably get about like 30mm spacer or something, and try to make it flush with the new wide body flare. Obviously these cars, we don't slam them, so this was lowered previously already. And there you have it, a new Escalade on a full wide body kit. Hey, sleeping on the job.
For snacks.
Oh, these are snack money?
That's what we need.
See how much they got.
Damn, who threw a 20 in there?
Hey, who put $20 in here?
Damn, he was hungry.
Yeah, rich. Oh, it's $5 here too.
Hey.
Tapatio sauce.
Phantom 2009 Coupe. This is the original Starlight vehicle. This car came with starlights, and the headliner was the first that we've seen from Rolls Royce. We've been working on these cars when they came out, when we were back on our Pico shop, which was 3-4 shops ago, so long time. Personally, one of my favorite cars ever, luxury cars, because this car is a statement. Doesn't make sense what it is. It's huge, but it's only 2 doors, suicide doors, and it's got this really crazy, exaggerated roof line, and obviously the massive front end. My buddy bought this from Bring a Trailer recently, and he's had a convertible before, a coupe before, he's had these before, and he wanted to get another one. So there you have it. Right now it has 26-inch wheels on there, as you can see. They're massive. 24s on this look pretty small. That's why 26s are kind of common for it. There's Joe's car right there, Honda Prelude. This car, we did the wheels and a simple blackout, but now the customer wants to do a full blackout. So we're not done with it. We're gonna do a full blackout on it. This car also has one of the worst like infotainment systems. No CarPlay, obviously didn't have that technology back then. No Bluetooth even. No way to charge your phone with like a regular wire, nothing. So we're gonna add a whole system in there where basically it integrates and it's gonna have CarPlay and all that stuff. So we're gonna do that for this guy as well. But yeah, right now we got the wheels on there. We've been test driving it, drives pretty good. You cannot beat on this car with 26s with the 30 series tires because it's just so big. You can put 25 series tires, but then you're gonna ask for tire problems all the time. So that's one of the tricks on this car. But beautiful car, hope you guys like it. He's in the car, bro. Look at him. He's so mad. He's so pissed.
To be honest, that was f***ed up whatever they did.
Bro, you told the cop to f*** you because he asked for the ID.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right. So see you on the next one. Haha.